So we are going to look the best possible way to do search engine optimization of your website. So we are going to use Claude AI to do SEO. So here is the prompt. I'll provide it in description. You just have to copy it and paste your particular website name in the particular top first line, and then you have to just paste that prompt into Claude. So what this prompt will do is it will scan your live website and check what products you have, check what is the purpose of your website, and is there any default text or anything, which it will create a report of all of that after scanning and tells you that how is currently the SEO website, what needs to be improved. So based on the report, what we are going to do is we are going to go into Yoast SEO, and we are going to copy the screenshot of the particular all settings. We just have to get the screenshots and just paste this plot particular chat and tell them that provide best SEO for this particular website using the report you just created. So this will probably tell you which settings to be turned on and which to be turned off, or what to do and what tags and etc. what to use. Because if I create, I do Yoast SEO, so your website can be different. So that my SEO will not work on your. But here we are doing is that we are creating a generalized prompt SEO ready, which will customize for your particular website with the help of AI. So this new method is more effective than a general 1 hour video where you are just hobby pasting every setting, and it may not work for you if it's not related to your website. So we'll just let whole report done, and we'll just see what we can do next. So the audit has been completed, and the overall score of my website without proper SEO is around 38 out of 100, and there are many critical issues and everything. So your score and your audit report can be different, but we just have to now paste the screenshot of the Yoast SEO settings, and based on that, Claude will analyze and tells you perfect what changes you have to make. Now just log into your WordPress website and install the Yoast SEO plugin if you do not have. I already have one, so I will not install it again. So when you install the Yoast SEO, it will take you to the first time configuration. So now you need to just upload socials, your website name, what it should be called, and organization logo, etc. Some may be pre-filled. If the logo is not there, you need to add the logo, etc. And then go to settings. So go to the settings in Yoast SEO, and these are the most critical changes out there. So just zoom out a little bit and take a whole screenshot of it. Don't worry, AI will read and get what settings are. So basically paste it and ask it based on the report what changes, what options should I turn on or off, or if there is something different, then you could ask based on the report, what should I do now. So it will go through the report and suggest you the best possible settings for that particular option. So let's see what does it tells us. So based on the report, it has told us to do many of the settings to on or off. So you just have to do this for basically every of the settings on the side menu you see. So this is quite easy. I have given the roadmap and also providing you with the best prompt. So I hope you guys can do that. And if you want a detailed explanation about each settings, then we can make a long form video on that. But I does not find any point on making a long form video where it's AI time and you just can get a good prompt and can get your work done. In AI era, everything decides on the prompt, how good the prompt is. If a prompt is good, then your output will be always good. So that's it for that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.